Hello everyone, this is Anne from Odulcina Scrap. Today it's the reveal of the new fabric. So I reordered some of my older designs that were almost sold out, and I've created new designs. So here we go. I showed you the labels in a previous video, so this is part of my new designs. The ones with the pink labels and the neutral labels. I made 3 collage pages. So there's one with greenish aqua, there's one with blue, and there's one with pink. I'll show you the details. So how I see this is when we just want a stripe of fabric with some writing on, you can use them individually or per section. Like you have a label there, you have a bigger label there, here you have a nice fabric, here you can have a big label or parts of it, you have music sheets, you have like all cute patterns. But I have the idea that we can use it as well for quilting. So instead of using different fabric, we can use these as is and just do something on the lines and do kind of a fake patchwork or quilting by using a piece that is kind of pre-done for you. So here we go, we have the blue. So the blue, again, you have some letters, music sheets, you have that cute flower lady there. You have an embroidery pattern that is so cute. So it's really like, I want to use that fabric for quilting, patchwork, or by little pieces or medium pieces. This is the pink. So you have my favorite designs, actually. You have that birdie darling there that I love. That lady here. Flowers, roses, all of that. And then I created a little house fabric. Yeah. That's crazy. I want to bring those little houses into fabric. So how I work this piece is that I've put 2 houses that, you know, the design here, I wanted it to be very specifically aligned. And then I provided 3 patches of fabric that you can take the template here and trim wherever you want the little house. So you have a potential of 5 little houses there. They kind of all match. They're all soft colors, shabby chic style. And I give you some little windows, doors with my favorite ladies, stripes to do the chimneys, or a division between the roof and the house, doors again, and windows. So this, I'm thinking I'm going to do some projects, but this is perfect for quilting and any other sewing projects, handmade projects, where you don't have to buy a lot of furnitures or fabric. You just buy this piece of fabric and you can play along with it and do a lot with that one. So of course, like, there's more houses and doors because you might have other fabrics at home that you can use. But printing the doors and the windows, this is less common on the fabric, so I thought I should give you more. I also received my polka dot collection of sari silk. So you have a light blue. Then you have like a darker blue. Then you have a purple. You have a pink I called this one the cherry pink because I sell them individually as well. You have a light pink. So if you look for that one individually, it's light pink. You have brown, dark brown, and you have the olive green polka dots. Isn't it gorgeous? So it's all available in my OdulcinaJournals Etsy shop, where everything that I need to ship by mail is in that shop. I have two shops, one for my digitals that is Odulcina, and everything else that needs shipping is under Odulcina Journals. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.